In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how much YouTube paid me in January of 2026. And that amount is, as you can see right away, $550.56. Welcome back to Buck Living, a channel all about making money, where we're documenting our journey to make $1 million on YouTube. Very transparent on this channel. I hate YouTubers that black things out, or in this case, make you wait like 20 minutes for the number. This is the main number most of you want to know, the most important number. And as I cross-reference it, let me show you. Got about, let's just round it to like 50,000-ish views, give or take, of course, because technically 48,460. So about 50,000 views for the month of January, and we made about $550.56. Pretty solid numbers. Now, one number I want to include right away and show you, because when it comes to making money on YouTube, there's mainly two big numbers, especially with YouTube ads, and that is one, how many views are you getting? As we all know, the more views you get, the more money you make. But the second is a number called RPM. This stands for revenue per 1,000 impressions. All this means is how much money is YouTube paying you for every 1,000 views? This fluctuates a lot. So our average RPM for the month of January was $11.36. That is pretty good. I'd say the average YouTuber makes between $3 and $5 for every 1,000 views. So definitely on the higher end of that. But as you can see, not only is this the channel-wide average, but for each video, some of them are higher or lower than the average. Like this one, should you drive for Lyft and Uber in 2026? $16-ish on average for every 1,000 views. If I go down here, some of these might be pretty high. 10 hacks in the Lyft driver app, you probably didn't know, $18. 5 tax write-offs for Lyft drivers and Uber drivers, $22, right? So how to become a Lyft driver. Now, one thing you may notice, which is really interesting, I find that different types of content have different RPMs. And on this channel, I think because we talk about making money, the gig economy, finance, accounting, that kind of stuff, those kind of niches typically do make a good amount per view. And as you can imagine, if we're trying to get to, $1 million on YouTube, which, we're on our way there. It's been a very slow progression, but we're, I think, starting to really pick up some steam. As you can imagine, you need so many more views. Like if I say have a video that is getting, we found one that's around $10. So how to use Uber in 2025. Bit of an outdated video now at the time of this video. But if I have a video that's making $3 for every 1,000 views, I need 3 times the amount of views on a video like that to make the amount of money that this video would make for 1,000 views, right? 3,000 views would make $10, rounding a little bit. And on this video, 1,000 views. So I need 3 times more views. So as you can imagine, a very minor potential, jump on RPM could have massive effects once you start bringing in, a ton of views. Like if I go to, let's say this cryptocurrency video, and let's say I have an RPM of $5, which is a pretty average RPM. I have, in case you know, multiple YouTube channels. One of my YouTube channels, my music production channel, I'd say the RPM is probably about $5. That's probably the average channel RPM. That means for every 4,000 views I get on that channel, it's going to equal 1,000 views on a video like this, which is about a $20 RPM. So as you can imagine, this number RPM is going to be a very recurring theme on this channel. I've already talked about it a good amount, but this is my first time kind of doing an in-depth recap. And I want to start doing these month-by-month recaps, showing you exactly how much money I made in the previous month. But this is going to be a big recurring theme because, like I said, even a slight fluctuation in RPM can have massive impacts. Like this, I tried making money on Rumble video platform. I'm not going to lie, I actually expected this number to be a bit higher, if you want to be honest, but you can see it's around to $4. That's a pretty low RPM, which is still not a bad RPM. It's still low compared to the rest of this channel. That's a good thing. The fact that for a lot of these videos, like how to use the Waymo app, $43 for every 1,000, that's actually pretty wild. I'm not gonna lie. That's an extreme outlier. But as you can see, for the RPM, when this is higher, I need way less views to make more money. Now, when we go up here, let's organize by the best money-making videos in January of 2026. I'm actually pretty surprised. I'll be honest. I did not expect this. This one made $21.71, and that is 5 legitimate ways to earn free Bitcoin. In some ways, I get it. I think I like the thumbnail. Came out pretty good. This video also I filmed a bit ago. You can see why I look, clean shaven and everything. Also 5 legitimate. I think this is a pretty solid title. And I did a lot of research for this video. Videos about cryptocurrency, it's kind of interesting. I find either do really, really bad or really, really good on YouTube. Like sometimes YouTube looks at them almost like in a vlog way, where I've had some crypto videos get $1 or $2 for every 1,000 views. And I'm like, nah. Like, but in other cases, like this one, pretty solid RPM of about 20 bucks. And as you can see, which is kind of cool to look at, this video, the Bitcoin versus how to become an Uber driver, which is the second highest money making video, these almost made the same amount. But as you can see, just because the RPM, I got half the amount of views. I made or got double the amount of views on this video, yet it came in second place, or they were almost made the same amount of money. But you can see that's the power of the RPM. This one got significantly less views, like not even close to 500, but still was able to get the third slot. So you could see that these high RPM videos, even if they don't get that many views, I mean, 500 views, not even not even 1,000, 430 views, but just because the RPMs were that good, they were able to get in these top slots. And I think this is a really good start for where this channel is going, because when I look at now the global metrics, let's go to that. It's gonna take a second for this to load. You can see this is how things look for, let me go to this, let me do January. So you can see, I'm just gonna go to this bar graph. This is how you can see as a bar graph, like the exact month by month thing since January of 2025. So you can see the past year, but you can see for this particular month, we had about 48,500 views, about the same as usual, as in terms of 1.9K watch hours, 138 new subscribers. So thank you to all the new people who subscribed. And then like I showed you, $550.56. And it's kind of cool to look at this because you can see if I look here and roughly just kind of scroll about, especially compared to the past few months, there's actually more views than before, right? Actually, maybe the past year, except the first 3 months of last year, the most views I've gotten in, what was that, past 9 or 10 months? So that's pretty solid. When it comes to money, this is something that does fluctuate a lot, as you can imagine, especially because of RPM. Like the past 6 months, this is actually the second highest money-making month we've had. November of 2025 made about 600 bucks. This one, not even 600. 617 in March of last year, 615, and then 688, almost $700 exactly a year ago. I think the main reason why some of this has gone down is, one, I did start to post a bit less on this channel, as this channel, as most of you know, started as a ride-sharing channel. So I started to post a bit less. I was like, there's only so many videos I can post about Uber and Lyft. I've posted, I think, let me see how many videos I've posted on this channel so far. About 769 videos. I'd say about 600 of those are about Uber and Lyft. There's only so much, in my opinion, you could talk about Uber and Lyft. So then I started to rebrand this channel because I noticed people liked videos about making money in general. I'm like, if you're driving for Uber and Lyft, if you're interested in the gig economy, you want to make money, of course, right? Like, who doesn't? So then I think around this point, this is when I started to kind of be like, okay, let's start like experimenting with different types of content, new types of content. And I can see this channel, especially now that we're picking up steam, that YouTube's now understanding like, hey, you're not just a rideshare channel. You're like a making money channel. I can see the next upcoming months getting bigger and bigger, literally almost every single month. Because when I look here, you can see that in the beginning, I mean, as it always was, my top videos, let's say in the past 48 hours at the time of this video, were typically going to be Uber and Lyft. But now we have the Bitcoin one there that's getting actually a steady amount of views. Making money on Rumble, steady amount of views as well. How much YouTube paid me for 1,000 views. That's getting a pretty consistent amount of views. So now we have these videos getting in the top recent videos that before, this used to be only Uber and Lyft. Now, even my iMovie tutorial for 2026 is in this whole list. So that's a big change that we're seeing, especially when I go to revenue, which again is the big thing. Again, in the past 6 months, as you can see, this, or I guess in this case, in the past 5 months, second highest money-making month. And I can see this growing tremendously. And I gotta be honest, it has been a bit of a slow start, especially as I rebranded this channel, and didn't necessarily, I guess, rebrand it in an intense way. It's not like I changed the name or whatever, but I did, of course, change the icon, change some of the artwork, start to kind of switch some things up. And I will say that when you do that, it's almost like moving a few steps backwards to move a bunch of steps forwards, right? Especially for a lot of my subscribers, one thing I will say, which is kind of nice, is I have noticed, it's interesting that I feel like a lot of my subscribers, even those who joined this channel just for Uber and Lyft, which is 90% of you, have actually really liked the recent videos I've posted, which is nice to see, right? Because sometimes you see a channel that used to just do gaming, and then they go to fitness, and those are kind of two opposite, where you see this huge switch up and people are like, wait a minute, I'm not interested in any of your videos. We've seen channels on YouTube kind of fall off completely because of a rebranding. But in this case, it is kind of nice that I think because there is a pretty big crossover of Uber and Lyft and the gig economy and making money with making money, right? Like, because there is a pretty big crossover, I think it makes sense that if you're like, hey, if you want to drive for Uber and Lyft and you're interested in driving for Uber and Lyft, maybe you might want to make money on YouTube. Maybe you might want to make money on cryptocurrency. And I will say for this channel, I have focused, especially recently, a lot of making money just on YouTube, but I might start exploring other things. Like, I used to be a real estate agent, so I might even do a video about things that I wish I knew before becoming a real estate agent and making money through real estate. So I think I might start exploring just other different avenues of making money, like the cryptocurrency stuff. Like, I have only posted a handful of cryptocurrency videos, but I might start doing more investing in cryptocurrency videos, right? Basically doing a hodgepodge, which is kind of a fun word to say, of different videos all about making money. And the cool thing about this is, one, I think I like doing this whole aspect of being kind of a guinea pig, where I'm like, hey, I tried doing this. Did it make me money? No. Did it actually make money? Maybe yes. Like, so I kind of like doing this kind of unique kind of guinea pig testing, where you can kind of take what worked for me and apply it to your life so you can make money. But I think too, which is even cooler to me about this channel, is the meta perspective, the big perspective that, as a global perspective, we're documenting making $1 million on YouTube. And if you go to any video on this channel and look in the description, one, you'll see exactly up until that point when I uploaded that video, how much money we had made so far on this channel. But two, you can see in the description, of course, again, the income milestones, where each kind of milestone, I post the exact date that we hit it. So right now, we're on our way to the $50,000 milestone of this channel making, collectively, since I started this channel, $50,000 total. I think right now, as I'm filming this video, if I remember, we've made so far, we're almost about to hit $34,000 total for making money on this channel in terms of the lifetime revenue. So we are $16,000 away. So we have definitely a good amount away, don't get me wrong. But again, the more views that we get, the more money we make, the more this channel starts to pick up steam, the faster and faster we'll hit each milestone. Of course, like, making $16,000 on YouTube to some takes 2 seconds. Like, if you're Mr. Beast, you probably make that in, 10 minutes or whatever, however it works out. Then if you look at, other people, that might take you a year, 2 years, 3 years, right? So it definitely fluctuates, but the biggest thing is we're on our way up. And I think that's the number one thing that, now that this rebranding of this channel, I think YouTube started to understand. And I will say, when you do rebrand a channel, it does take YouTube sometimes even 2 to 3 months to figure out, like, wait a minute, something seems different about this channel. They used to just post Lyft and Uber, but now we have cryptocurrency. Now we have making money on Rumble. Now we have YouTube tips and YouTube tutorials. Something seems different, and it might take them a couple months, but once they kind of figure out the new direction of this channel, then they start kind of promoting it more because they understand more of what to give people who want to watch a given topic or niche. So the number one thing to kick off 2026, to kick off this year, is a great month to kick it off, and now we're on our way up.